Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create comments in your HTML file and your CSS file. So we're going to go into that. The reason why we create comments in our codes is because sometimes you might be creating a website and you have a bunch of codes, and then there is a lot of code, and then you find it difficult to identify some code. So we use comment for us to be able to identify some code. We know which is this and which is this. For instance, we have a bulk of code in this page, in our home page, which is the index page, and there's a lot of code. So for us not to find it difficult to identify which is which, we use comments to do that. So this body tag, you can see here that in the body tag I have a h2 tag and a paragraph tag. So if I want to add a comment here, I'll go into my body tag and above the h2 tag, and then I'll add my comment. So I'm going to go that right away. So for you to add a comment, you go by less than, exclamation mark, dash dash, and then you have your comment. So you can see it here. So once you do that, everything inside the body tags become a comment. So you can see that. So I'm going to add a comment now. This is the body tag. And then for you to close it, you go again, dash 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 dash, and then greater than. You can see it now. This is your comment and you have your comment. So for us to create a comment in the style sheets, that is in your CSS file, so this is what we have on the CSS code. So I'm going to go above this to add a comment. I'm going to go with a /# and you can see that everything here turns into a comment. But for you to complete it and make only the comments in the file, because once you create a comment, that does not show. So for instance, if you leave it like this, everything here is not going to have effect. For instance, let's check it here. If I remove this and everything here is in comment, we're not going to see it, because everything that is in green already, we're not going to see it on our page. But once we close it, then we can see it on. This is now visible. The only thing that will not be visible is this is the body tag. It will not be visible on our page. So I'm going to add this and say body tag code, body tag code, and then we'll close it with a #, and then your /, and here is our code. I told you earlier, the reason why we do this is just for easy access, for you to be able to locate whatever you have on your website while you're doing a coding. So I hope you like the video, and see you in the next video.